If you've conducted a survey that uses a 5-point scale or say a 7-point scale, one way you can interpret the results is to group the level of, say, is it agreement scale you have? So you group the level of agreement together. Or is it a satisfaction scale? You group the level of satisfaction together. Or let's say it's an importance scale. You group the level of importance together. The summary of these likeness to the items that is the respondent selected will allow you to present to your results in a meaningful way. When you look at the scale here, it says strongly agree, 2 would be disagree, 3 would be neutral, or some people would say neither agree or disagree, 4 would say agree, and 5 strongly agree. Let's say you ran that survey and you got back the result. How you share that results, as I mentioned, is to group them. Here is a grouping for you. So on the left here you see 25.3% said strongly agree. 43% of your respondents said they agree with whatever the question is. So what we did was to add those together. When you add that together, you get 69%. That is, and if you look on your screen, 25.3 plus 43.44 equals 68.7%. You round it off and you get 69%. Same way for the disagree. You group them together, disagree and strongly disagree. When you add them, you round it off, you get 15%. All these three values, 69%, 16%, and 15%, should add up to 100%.